Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best adjustable kettlebells that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bowflex SelectTech 840 Adjustable Kettlebell. The SelectTech 840 is a real fix for the usual home kettlebell headache. Instead of a whole lineup, you get one neat unit that covers 8 to 40 pounds. The dial sits on top and turns easily. You can go from light swings to heavy squats without missing a beat. That keeps your heart rate up and your workout moving. You get all the key weight increments. 8 pounds is great for beginners or warm-ups, and 40 pounds is enough for most intermediate moves. It feels solid, even though it's lighter than cast iron. The composite material is quieter and easier on your floors. The handle fits most hands, no problem. There's an app with workout ideas, but after the trial, it costs extra. If you already know the basics, you don't really need it. Moving on. At number 4, we have the HXD-ERGO 7-in-1 Adjustable Kettlebell. The dial adjustment lets you switch weights fast, even mid-set. People mention the space savings and how smoothly it changes weights. The wide handle is a nice touch, especially if you've ever found standard kettlebells tough on your grip. You get 7 weights in one. The dial makes moving between them quick and simple. Turn the base to pick your weight, and the internal lock keeps plates secure. The wide handle means less grip fatigue, so you can go longer. Some folks say the plastic feels a bit off compared to iron, and the bigger size can make some moves clumsy. At number 3, we have the representative Fitness Adjustable Kettlebell. The quick weight changes and consistent competition shapes stand out. People praise the sturdy build and secure adjustment. Instead of buying 5 kettlebells, you get all the weights in one. The push and twist system makes changing weights easy. Build quality is a step above cheaper brands. The matte coating gives you a secure grip, even when sweaty. The competition shape helps with advanced moves. No weird balance issues here. This is a big deal for swings and snatches. At number 2, we have the Kettlebell Kings Adjustable Kettlebell. The 35mm handle matches competition standards, so you get a familiar grip. People seem to appreciate the solid build. No rough edges, nothing that digs into your hands. This adjustable kettlebell is a pretty practical pick for home training. 7 plates let you dial in anywhere from 26 to 70 pounds, using the included Allen wrench. The handle is regulation size and gives a secure grip. Most users say it feels good for swings, presses, and whatever else you throw at it. Build quality is solid. It's alloy steel with a powder coat that stands up to regular use. The size is compact so you don't lose half your floor to equipment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kettlebell Kings Adjustable Competition Kettlebell. This one nails the competition shape at every weight. The steel build is tough, and the screw lock system keeps things tight. People like the build and the space-saving aspect. The screw lock system makes sure the halves stay put. 7 plates let you fine-tune the weight for different moves. Once you get the hang of it, adjustments are straightforward. The competition dimensions never change, no matter the weight. That's a big plus for keeping your technique sharp. The polished handle is easy on the hands, even in longer sessions. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.